Hey everybody, well I finally did it. I made a video where I made this one trying to make a SUB-250 and I was just over, so I said hell with it and just put some 3D prints on it. And now this one that was supposed to be a SUB-250 is 218. And then I got the smallest batteries I could find that were worth a damn. These little 380 4S's. Brings me just over. So close, so close. And then I call this one Scorpion. And that guy there, 223 with the same little battery, 263. So that's another fail. And that one there, that's a 6S. That one's way over. So let me introduce you to Bumblebee. This is my Success SUB-250 GRINDERINO. It is an analog. So if you guys are running HD or DJI or whatever the hell you're running, I don't know if it's going to be SUB-250, but 600 milliwatt, even with a 12 volt back, Cadix Ratel 2 camera. I got beautiful VTX on this thing, and it is SUB-250. And I got the Umagod motor. I did paint them black, but I got the Aerolite motors on it. It's got a little stinger there, and I got a little whip antenna. But this is Bumblebee. Let's see what we got. 192. How about that? Let's see. 380. 232. Wow. All right, let's see. I got a 500 in here somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Damn it. Nope, nope, there it is. Okay. 500. 4 cells. Alright, take that one off. We're at 192 with a 500. 242. And that's flying weight. With this 500 4S, getting about 4 minutes or so of ripping flying, not just cruising around. And with both of the GMB and the RDQ, with these, we're still getting about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So it's not bad. So we're going to do a video with this thing ripping around just to show you that it is a little ripper. And I did it. Mission accomplished. SUB-250, guys. GRINDERINO. Got some little pads on it. There it is. Let's go rip it around.
when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. There to see